I'm Liana Satenstein, and I'm a closet shrink. I go around the world helping celebrities declutter their lives. Today, I'm in New York City with the coolest girl below 14th Street, model Paloma Elsesser. She has too many clothes for her own good, and she needs help organizing them. That's where I come in. Open her up. I want to see it. Oh, baby.
Yeah. I mean, I think that this wall pretty much describes what I've been called a streetwear wasp. And as of late, it's been difficult because I can't even access it. So I've just been like wearing what resides on the floor.
Okay.
That's where I'm at.
Did you find that on the floor?
Yes.
We're gonna work through it together. We're gonna figure out the problem spots. We're gonna unearth some treasures. We're going to get you organized. You're gonna feel like a newborn baby first day out.
First day out.
First day out. First
Out
night
of clothing jail.
Yeah. The biggest mitzvah that you can do for your closet is clean it, and I'm going to show you how in two different piles. 1, the keep pile. Everything that you love, wear it until death do you part. 2, the toss pile. Everything that you don't wear, everything that you don't love. Give it to a friend, sell it, donate it, get rid of it. Let's dive in, let's get started. Shoes first. Old shoes, no matter how pretty they are like bad boyfriends. Kick them to the curb.
Sneakers and shoes are a big part of how I dress because I don't have access to every piece of clothing. So I want to express myself in accessories and shoes and bags, and that's why I have so many and so much of it.
Okay. I like
Feel me?
We're just gonna lay them out like this.
Okay.
Which ones do you wear the most? That you know you're not gonna part with? The white ones?
Those I wear a lot.
So what I always recommend people to do when they have shoes that they've worn a lot is you can use the funds from what you sell to repair it. The repair pile. Hole in your shoe, hole in your dress, hole in your underwear. These are all things that can be fixed. Bring them to the shoe doctor, bring them to the tailor. Let's put this in the corner and we're gonna repair them.
I would like to keep these for sure.
What do you call those ones?
My pimp shoes. They're gorgeous. They're in great condition. They make farting noises when I walk.
This is a Gucci loafer. You can identify this thanks to the horsebit hardware that is affixed to the top, which is a Gucci signature. Fun fact, they trademarked the symbol.
These are my Lord Farquaad at the roller rink shoes.
It's like the gift that keeps on giving.
Yeah. Ow.
Paloma, I think I've seen these before.
She's in the jungle. She's in the desert.
This is like a whole separate bag we haven't even gone through.
Hello. These are just little Manolo meal kitten meals. I've only worn them once, but I don't know, you tell me.
The expiration pile. This is where I give my client a 30-day period to wear an item that they are unsure about. If they don't wear it in time, you know what they gotta do. Get rid of it. Honestly, shoes are a little bit hard to donate, so sometimes they have to be tossed.
The energy that I cultivate in these shoes is Rihanna on a level.
Okay, we'll put them, keep it.
Walking across a grate. These have never been worn. JDI, just do it. Just do it.
You have two metallics here, gold or silver. Talk to me.
They're two different metallics. They speak to different times. I wear the silver a lot more. This is actually really hard because I care about these. I'm more of a gold girl, but I end up wearing the silver one. I just think it's a little chicer in this shoe. I said it. So the golds go.
Thank you. Wait, you have two camel toes.
Yeah, but these were my grandma's and she's...
Oh, true. I'm sorry.
She's still alive. My grandmother wears them. My mom wears them. I wear them. There's not much movement in here. Let's do it. Oh my God, my Gucci caftan. Yes. I bought her in the souk in Marrakesh.
Oh, so it's
I walked through. It's actually real.
Gucci.
Excuse me.
Oh my God. One of the slips. I'm shook.
I have so many slip dresses because they just look good on me. We love a champagne colored slip. She stays.
She's out.
I wore this for a wedding. I had the best night of my life. Shout out Cassie and Jim. I was fully sober, twerking covered in mud, but I think it had its moment already.
Look how much progress we just made.
I'm good with
Paloma,
it.
A+. You deserve a gold star.
Right.
So
Insert
well.
an animation of a star. This is a PROENZA SCHOULER dress. I wore it maybe 2 months ago.
Okay, why
Yeah.
do you like it so much?
I love the colors. It's also kind of like dirty, you know? It's like a little...
Ooh, this is a gem.
I got it on Poshmark. I cross-referenced it on First Dibs. It went for $1,600. I got it for $250 with the bolero. I scammed the system.
This is actually one of Paloma's hottest items, a Jean-Paul Gaultier dress with a matching bolero. This sort of sheer graffiti meets tattoo print piece first appeared on the spring 1994 runway. Over the past few years, the style has become super popular, aka the Kardashian sisters, including Kourtney and Kim, as well as Kendall Jenner, have all worn an incarnation.
This is a staple. This will be for my crazy daughter.
Crushing
Double. Now we're in a very, very, very sticky section because I love this style of shirt. I have about like 43 million, roughly. They're versatile. Yesterday I wore a slip dress with one of them over it and tied it at the waist. This is a very sexy daddy shirt. You see that movement? Dad upstate. Cool dad upstate. Boppy on the boat. The Obama shirt is really special. I'm really upset I didn't get the pants. I think this will be something that I'll look back in life and be like, yeah, we did that.
This epic shirt here came out in spring 2017. It was based off of Obama's 2009 visit to Ghana, in which local residents made shirts with similar portrait graphics and head-turning patterns. Fun fact, Paloma's brother Sage modeled the shirt for Supreme.
What is this?
It's a low rod bustier.
Do you want it?
Yeah. And these are the holy grails. Black Vivienne Westwood corset, a forest green Vivienne Westwood corset.
Vivienne Westwood has been synonymous with the corset for almost her whole career. Starting in fall 1987 in the Harris Tweed collection, she showed an exposed corset, a subversive nod to the constrictions of Victorian corsets. Some of the corsets are so rare, like one featuring the painting of Daphnis and Chloe from the fall 1990 collection, that they are in museums. Bella Hadid has worn that one. Paloma's corsets, which feature an orb right here, are from later collections starting in the mid-90s.
I do need to get them altered.
Okay, so we should put it in the altered pile.
Okay. No more wire hangers.
This is what I like to call the bag colonic. I bet you have stuff in your bag that you don't even know about. I bet you got receipts in there. I bet you got a stray earring in there. I bet you got a piece of gum. I bet you have a shit ton of pennies that should be going to a Coinstar right now. So you know what you gotta do? Dump it out.
I don't know what it says yet, but I love letters. Oh my God, it's a letter that I wrote to my boyfriend that I don't think I gave to him. First, I'd like to thank you. Thank you for showing me true love, the kind of... Oh my God, I was like... Lastly, thank you for not judging my toes.
How many fanny packs do you think you have?
Should we layer them on? This can go. This can keep. This can go. Can keep. All three of the rest I can keep. Okay.
Okay, so now we're obviously on to sunglasses.
This is Professor Schmata. These are some of my faves. Perfect shape, frame the face well, bright bold color. These are really sick. They're from this tiny little sunglass store in LA on Beverly. The place is covered in dust, but you uncover fabulosity.
Paloma, we're done. We've cleaned your closet, we've cleansed it, we've saged it. How do you feel?
I feel great. I feel like I can stretch my arms. I'm very grateful for helping assist this process. I finally feel like I don't have to fight my clothes to wear them. Thank you.
Honey, I shrunk your closet.
It's been 30 days and we sold a lot of things. We have 108 pairs of shoes, 51 tops, 48 bags, 20 dresses, 19 pants, and 20 sunglasses. Out of all of this, we donated or responsibly recycled 33 items. And most excitingly, I want to show that we have fixed some of these shoes. Look at this, CELINE Phoebe Philo Paper White. Stay tuned for the next episode. On to the next closet we go.